If buying your first home is one of your goals this year, it's critical that you start working on a plan as soon as possible. It's also crucial, especially in today's competitive housing market. Fortunately, there are a few simple but critical steps you can take to get a strong start in the home buying process. You'll be able to make the best decisions to be able to buy your dream home if you know the ins and outs of the process and do as much preparation as possible. If you are new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and turn on the post notifications for more real estate tips. In today's video, we will go over the 5 most critical things to prioritize when starting the process of buying a home. 1. Educate yourself about the home buying process. There are numerous resources available to educate first-time buyers about home buying and home ownership. Start by reading reputable online articles and real estate blogs, as well as enrolling in homebuyer education programs and courses offered by the government and other housing counseling agencies. Educating yourself will help you gain confidence in your decision-making, which is important in competitive markets where buyers must make quick but informed decisions. Because a home is likely to be your largest investment, it's also critical that you understand each step of the mortgage process. 2. Figure out how much you can afford. Ready to buy your first home? You must know how much money you're working with. Sometimes what a lender will give you and what you're truly comfortable with are 2 different numbers. By setting a realistic budget, you're less likely to get carried away and shop outside your price range or stretch too far when making offers, especially when there's a lot of competition. Aside from your mortgage payments, you also have other responsibilities as a homeowner. Do your research and consider other costs such as property taxes, utility costs, HOA fees, and homeowners insurance, among others, to determine what you can afford and how much your total costs will be. 3. Work on your credit. The better your credit history, the better your chances of getting the best terms and rates on a loan. Not only will a good, healthy credit score help you qualify for most mortgage loans, it may also result in lower interest rates, potentially saving you thousands of dollars over the course of the loan. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, every 12 months, you are entitled to 1 free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus: TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Errors are common and can lower your score. Reviewing your credit report will help ensure that the information on all of your credit reports is accurate and up to date. You'll also have plenty of time to make any adjustments that are required. 4. Build your homeownership dream team. Purchasing a home can be a difficult and intimidating process. This is why having the right team of experts on your side is so important. They will guide you through the entire process and help you achieve your objectives. Consider adding a local and experienced real estate agent to your team, whose knowledge will be invaluable in your home search and will ensure that you get the best possible deal. A reputable mortgage lender or home lending advisor can assist you in determining how much you can afford, what financing options are available, and which are best for you, and where you can get the help that is tailored to your needs. 5. Secure your down payment and closing costs. Since you've already figured out how much budget you're working with, you need to research the down payment requirements for your desired loan. And regardless of what percentage is your goal, 3% or even 20% of the purchase price, start planning how you can set aside that money. Seek ways to cut spending and set aside a portion of each paycheck to go directly into your home buying fund. We hope this video has helped you better understand what to prioritize when buying your first home. If you have any questions or if you're interested in buying or selling a home, please call us. The Garcia team is always happy to help. See you next time.